Hey guys, if you ever wondered what are some ways that you can kind of be different, have your drapes different, have your backdrops different, and stand out from what everyone else is doing, which is actually using these bling wraps, I have some different selections that I'm going to share with you guys that you can choose and, you know, create it into your own design, right? But for the sake of, I will still show you these bling wraps, right? These are pre-made, but the beauty is that you can actually buy a roll and make these yourself just by attaching some Velcro. So only thing you want to do if you're using these is make sure that the sequin side is where the stones are, is what is actually showing, and then you just want to secure it tightly around your pole, just like such. Now, one cool little neat trick is every time around holiday season, I always look at the Christmas ornaments, right? Because now they're getting really extravagant and getting really fancy. And guess what? They make perfect little trinkets for drapes, for backdrops. So these butterflies I picked up, I believe from Walmart. It was around Christmas season. And I like attaching them to my backdrops. All you have to do, it has a clip on the back. All you do is take it and clip it directly to your backdrop. Now, if you are using a pipe cleaner or something like that, you want to be sure that maybe you're using something that's the same color, so that way you don't see. Or you can go on and maybe cover the pipe cleaner up first with maybe a regular kind of sash and then attach your butterfly. But these little things make really nice, just, you know, really dress up your stuff and make it look really different from what everyone else is doing. The beauty of these is also, you know, every year once Christmas passed, you get these like 70% off. So that's another added bonus. Now here we have, these are actually tiebacks that's for like upholstery drapes, like home decor. But guess what? They make neat little trinkets again, or, you know, just different pizzazz for your backdrops. So all you do, got a clip on the back, take it, clip it to your drapes. And voila, it looks different. It looks, you know, they come in different colors and, you know, different shades and things like that, different textures. So you definitely want to be sure that you're using something that pairs well with the drape that you're using. Then we have these. These are really a really nice tieback to use for your drapes as well. These are the jewel tone, bejeweled version, and these are held at or sold at Shop Wild Things. So these, they have different colors, they have different kinds, and all you would do is take your little gadget, pick all your drape up, and slide it through the front of your accessory, just like that. Now that is really cute, it's really different, and it's definitely will, you know, make your stuff look different from what everyone else is doing. Just be mindful that you are covering up your pipe cleaners so that they are not showing. But that's pretty neat. That's pretty awesome looking as well. And now we actually have some good old curly willow. Like these are primarily used on the back of chairs at events and things like that. But if you are, you know, maybe having some kind of event where you're putting these on chairs, or maybe you have a table, a sweet treat table, and you're using the curly willow skirt, this is like an added bonus to attach to your drapes. So I always just take a safety pin and attach it directly to my drape. Just want to make sure that your safety pin isn't showing. Make sure you are able to, you know, cover it up, hide it. But that's another, you know, way to be different and make your backdrop stand out and all that good stuff. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications bell so you can know when I upload videos, and also share this with your friends and your colleagues and your family, because you never know who may be in the events industry and need little tips like these to help them stand out as well, right? If you're looking for an amazing community of like-minded individuals, creatives such as yourself, hit the link in the description so you can join us over on Facebook in the Pipe and Drape Learning Community so you can be around amazing designers that you can get inspiration from. See you on the inside.